Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Oscar, CEO and co-founder of ForceManager. ForceManager is a sales acceleration app. We help insurance companies to manage their channel of brokers and carriers worldwide in different countries. We've been founded back in 2011, and since then, we've been working across different industries. We have offices in 7 different locations worldwide, and we have more than 700 customers. When ForceManager was founded, the basic idea behind that was we needed to design a product that is going to help, really help, the ones that are in the field, the ones that are selling, that they're doing the effort of getting new business to the company, right? In insurance, one of our strategies since the beginning was to acquire and move best practices that we have found in different industries to insurance. And if I have to choose one important use case that we found and has a very important impact in the overall business is managing the channel, optimizing how we manage the channel. This is what we do in ForceManager. ForceManager basically has 2 parts. One part is the mobile application. It's the mobile app that sales reps are using all the time. We have a daily active users of 80%, which is amazing, by the way. They love it. And at the same time, we have another part that it's a web application that is used by a manager to manage their teams and coach them. Today, we're going to see how the leaders in the market are using ForceManager to improve and optimize their channel. One of the leaders, of course, is Generali. So let me introduce you Guillermo Calderon, Head of Customer Distribution Experience at Generali.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to share with you our experience in Generali Spain. We have more than 6,000 distributors and more than 300 team managers. And we selected ForceManagers because we want to optimize the distribution network commercial activity. As you know, if you want to win the match, you have to see the ball, not the score. And to see the ball, the commercial activity, ForceManager is a good solution because it's based on 3 main pillars. The best and the first pillars is the user experience. We created ForceManagers with the users and for the users. The second pillar is the accuracy and simplicity of the reporting information. We measure the commercial impacts such as emails, telephone calls, and visits. And with this information, we can provide, as the third pillar and the most important, recommendation to each team manager. When the team manager, before the visit, see in the application the 3 main action plans to provide to the agent, to the distributor, they can achieve their incentives. As you know, it is the best possible thing that you can help the distributor. Okay, thank you. And now Oscar will show you it works.
Okay, let's jump into the demo. Let's see how it looks like in an iPhone. Well, the first thing that you see here in the screen is how ForceManager looks like. The first thing is having contextual information on what you have to do next. So it's a dashboard, and the first thing that I see is that I have a visit with one of my brokers or agents. It's called Gavin Insurance. So I have all the information right away. So every time you get ForceManager in your hand, you have actionable information, and it's related on what you have to do next. And of course, targets. You need to have targets. We need to focus people on what they have to do, right? And here, for instance, you have productivity. How many of your agents are at the productivity level? In this case, thumbs up, 89%. And for instance, excellence plan, it's very important. How many of my agents are hitting the excellence plan and they will go to Hawaii? Okay, 73%. I can drill down. I have all the information on my tips, right? Going back to the visit, when I go to visit Gavin, the first thing I see is recommendations. We want sales reps to be focused on what's important and to have on top of mind what they have to talk about. This is what we call the golden minute. Golden minute is this. You have to increase 5 policies of light production in order to achieve your incentive trip to Hawaii. We are close to close the achievement target. And don't forget to talk about the cross-selling campaign. This is important. This is business. This is telling you what you have to talk about next. Don't forget about anything. We want them to be there when they have to be and talk about what they have to talk about, right? So, of course, you have more things in ForceManager. You have all the information here. You can even have the contacts. You can call them, send them an email, and everything is as easy as an app. Very, very simple and lightning fast. Very, very, very fast. Because if it's not fast, they are not going to use it. Because the guys that are in the field are action men. They want things fast because they are where they have to be on the business, thinking about what they have to talk with the customers and with the customer interaction. So technology cannot be a distraction for them. This is very important, right? Okay, so let's see another part of the application, activity. When I go to visit Gavin, I need to know what happened before the visit. Here I have all the interactions I had with Gavin, and most of these interactions were recorded automatically. It's magic. It's incredible. When you go there, you have everything in place, and you have this information in your smartphone, right? Everyone uses the smartphone. Everyone knows how to use it. Here we have more things. We can even create documents. We can scan documents. I bet you guys are using all the time Cam Scanner, sorry. It's an application for scanning documents on the go, and it's very used by our users. They use it all the time. And guess what? Do you know what's the most common use case of scanning documents? Scanning the quotes from the competitors. I'm sorry, guys. That's the reality. Okay, so going back to the dashboard, I'm going to show you something that I tried to show you the last time we went here, and it didn't work because I have a very strong Spanish accent, and our sales assistant didn't understand me. So the waltz is for the Braves, and I'm going to try it again. I'm going to talk with ForceManager. I just plug it in my car, and I can start engage with a conversation. What I have to do now?
Your next event is today at 10:15 a.m. in Amsterdam. Your meeting is with Gavin Insurance. The account type is brokers and the event is titled Meeting with Sophie. I have found a recommendation for this account. It is increase 5 policies of life protection new production in order to achieve the incentive trip to Hawaii. The account is of segment A2.
Thank you, ForceManager, but we don't have time to keep conversating. It works. It's been used a lot. You can use ForceManager in natural language. You can interact. It's going to help you to prepare the visit. It's magic. And we are thrilled to work with you guys in your companies to help you improve the manager user channel and improve how your sales reps are doing their job every day. So thank you so much. We're there in our booth and more than happy to help you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.